Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 59 Apache. I'll have to let you know as of right now, the emergency brake doesn't work. We'll let her roll back here. Just got it in. Blinker to the left. Blinker to the right. Gas gauge must not work, or it's really low. I'm going to put some in it and we'll see, but as of right now I think it just is in op. 6-cylinder 4-speed. There you can see put an amp gauge in it, tach. I showed you blinkers. We can turn the stereo on. Oh, these things you gotta. I don't remember. Goodbye. I got it turned on. And anyway, there you can see it's got a stereo in it. He put new wipers in it, but the linkage isn't hooked up all the way. There the fan works. Take a look. I wonder if the horn works. No horn. So we'll take a look at the headlights and let's take a listen to the engine. Power brakes and power steering been added to it. Runs like a wash. These old 6-cylinders really did run good. There you can see your headlights. Like I said, good running engine. And there's your tail lights. So I think everything except for the horn works. And the gas gauge. Any questions? 605-695-7391.